all your hair, Mika? Where's your belly? Where's your ears? Wow, what's Boss doing? What's Boss doing? Boss? Mika? Where are you?
I'm upstairs.
You're upstairs? Are you in the kitchen?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm pooping.
You're pooping?
Yeah.
Oh. Do you have poop in your pants?
No.
Okay, you're in the kitchen?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Wait.
Are you pooping?
No.
Oh, I thought you said you were pooping. Oh, you want me to be quiet?
I'm pooping.
Are you pooping?
No.
Okay.
You're upstairs.
Where are you going?
I'm going to
Going in the cage to poop?
No.
What are you going to do? Hey, where's Josh? He's at school?
Yeah, no.
Why are you screaming at me?
You're not the mermaid,
What? I love you.
No.
Why? Oh, look at the doggies. Doggies are playing. What?
Again.
Are you pooping again?
No, I can't.
You can?
No.
Are you all done?
Yes.
Do you want me to change your diaper?
No.
Why?
Because I didn't know.
Because you what?
Yeah.
Do you want me to change it so you don't stinky?
Yeah, mermaid.
Okay, get on.
Mermaid.
You want to get on the couch and I'll change your diaper?
No.
Okay.
I can't.
Why can't you? What is wrong with you? Watch your dog. What are they doing? Boss, move over. Watch out, Mika, so they don't knock you over. You're going to get Boss's tail? Okay, go get Boss's tail. You got Boss's tail? You're going to sit, you want me to change your diaper so you can sit in there? Get up on the couch, I change your diaper. Come on there, Lulu. Come on, Lulu, go change your diaper. Choo-choo. Mika, how old are you? 2. That's right. Did you go to Chuck E. Cheese? Did you go to... What? Did you go to Chuck E. Cheese for your birthday?
Yeah.
Did you have fun? Boss, look out. Mika's here. Tell Boss to knock it off.
That's not good.
Tell Molly to be a good girl.
I need to be good.
That's right. Say marshmallow.
Marshmallow.
Look at me. Say yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, say Josh.
Josh.
Say Becca.
Becca.
Call Pa.
Pa.
Call Pa real loud.
Pa.
Where is he? Do you love Pa?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pa loves you too.
Mommy,
Oh, Pa loves you.
Mommy,
Yep. And Mima loves you.
I hear Mommy.
Oh, I love you. As big as the sky.
Biggest guy.
Yep. What else? What did you say? You love me to pieces?
Yes.
Tell Mima you love me to pieces.
You love me pieces.
Oh, thank you. Okay, say goodbye, Mima.
Goodbye, Mima.
Okay.